Ooh, give him a face. Cool.
He's holding his present.
Ooh. Let's just see. Is he 6?
Yes,
You want
he
to
is.
write a big 6 on the front?
I'm still drawing. I'm 5.
Ah.
Is that me? No, it's me. Oh,
I'm giving him the present.
Yeah, me giving him the present.
Hello, it is the 6th of July today. I have to check every time because I can never remember. I get so confused what day we're on. We had, me and the small boys had a fairly slow morning. Andrew was up and out early because he was marshalling a junior park run and we were all going to go, but I slept so badly last night. So he just went on his own and we just had a more relaxing morning. Aiden's got a birthday party to go to this morning, so he's a little bit hyper because he's excited about going there. So I'm always sad because he can't go. So I'm just letting them play a bit wild at the moment because it'll keep Rory happy for now. Need to make cake today because the cake that I made last week is all gone. And then me and Rory might go out for a walk to pick up some chocolate to make some more chocolate cookies. Yeah? You alright, Rory?
Yeah, Aiden was scared. Hold on. Where's it gone? Because I laughed.
And Andrew's just got back.
Yay!
I'm just editing the vlog from yesterday, day 5, which is going out today. And it's one of those ones where I'm watching it. I've done like a TBR for the reading challenge that What Victoria Read is running. I feel like I've got stuff in my eyes. It's really bothering me. Sorry. And it's just one of those videos where I just feel like my energy is really low. I don't know, I'm watching it like doubting whether or not I want to post it. I will post it because I haven't got time to record it again, and it gets the information out there that I want to share. But I just sometimes I watch a video back and I just think, oh, it's just not what I wanted the video to look like. I don't know. Maybe if you make videos you get what I mean. But hopefully it'll be fine. It might just me being like overly negative. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to edit this, I'm going to do a bit of knitting, and then I'm going to bake a cake. And I'm going to take it easy today to try and gain a bit more energy back so that we can do something nice tomorrow. But so it's going to be a slow day today, an at-homey slow day. So I hope that's okay with you. ordered myself an e-reader stand and a remote page turner set, which feels, I don't know, very fancy. Always got the zoomies. And I thought this might help me with like reading and knitting at the same time. So I think I can like clip it to my little table that sits next to where I sit on the sofa. And then let's see. I didn't really want the page turner bit, but of all of the options, the best looking options, okay, with the longest posable arm came with page turning as standard. So okay, hopefully my Kindle is big enough. I'll have to put it in this way. Okay. Alright, and then you
What
should
do you
be
do?
careful of the button. Stop.
What do you do, Mummy?
I have to take it out of the case.
What's that book?
I don't know what that book is. Well, maybe I don't have to take it out of the case. Maybe I can just put it. It's just going to have to be like not in the middle, which is okay because the button's there and it's pushing the button. Okay. This is so awkward. I've propped you on the box that it came in. And then this is the page turner.
It feels like a poor name's choose in
Page
what's already
turner.
written to a book that you can't put down.
Oh yeah. Well, but like, no, that's not. That's maybe a good. Maybe they were being clever. Right. It's got a wrist strap, which is amusing. And then I'll let you know how I get on with it. And if it's any good, I'll put a link down below. My battery's about to run out, so I'm gonna have to rush away. Let's see. It works! That's cool. Problem is, I'm gonna have to find somewhere that I can put it where it's not going. My camera ran out of battery like midway through my sentence. I'm gonna have to find somewhere on the screen that I can put the little page turner thingy without it like getting in the way of where I'm reading. I guess maybe like right at the bottom. That works. And I can still touch the screen. So I've got options. Okay, just a second. I've got options. I can tap and I can tap back, and it's like not too tight on the screen. My concern was that the clip thing would be too tight on the screen and it might like press into the screen, but it's not too tight. So I've got this like, it's a stool technically, but I use it as like a side table. I'm sitting on the sofa. Let me see. Okay. And so I was thinking, I like that this, I almost hit myself in the face. I like how firm the posability of it is. And so the kids aren't gonna be messing with it. And then I thought I can tuck it out of the way, like at the back. Like that. Okay, let me get my Kindle. Go. Come closer. Let's see. So then I can clip my clippy thing on, if I so desire, and put the Kindle in here. Okay. Oh, like that. And then I can knit and read at the same time. This is going to be great.